I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today's video is just going to be an after dark clean with me or just some nighttime cleaning motivation. I don't have a ton to do. My house really is not in that bad of shape at the moment, but we do have a busy next couple of days, so I wanted to kind of get ahead of the game and get as much done as I can tonight. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me and share some extreme cleaning motivation with you all so you can get motivated to get some things done around your own home. But let's just go ahead and jump right into it and get some things done. Okay, so I am starting out upstairs. I wanted to end my night downstairs only because that was pretty much where the bigger of the mess was. And by no means is this going to be any kind of deep cleaning. This is just going to be some tidying up and picking up as much as I can before the end of the night. I really just wanted to wake up to a really clean house and not have to worry about it over the next couple of days. But also, I know it looks really sunny outside, but this was actually pretty close to 7:30, I want to say. And luckily, Logan actually had gone to bed fairly early this night, and I did not have Colton with me. So that was a huge bonus. I was able to get so much more done than I typically would on a regular night. Usually the boys are in bed by 8 or 8:30, and then I would start my nighttime cleaning after that. So it felt so good to be able to have all this extra time to get so much more done. And so like I said, I am going to be doing a quick tidy up, but upstairs I am just going to be doing my bedroom, our bathroom, and then the boys' bathroom. But honestly, having all of these rooms up here straightened up when I woke up the next morning was such a great feeling.
I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah.
So really quick, I just wanted to introduce myself to anyone who is new to my channel. But first of all, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by and watching this. I really hope you are enjoying what you're watching so far and it's got you up and cleaning right alongside with me. But my name is Lauren, if you did not know that. I am a mom to 2 boys. Colton just turned 4 and Logan is now 19 months. But over on my channel, I share a ton of cleaning motivation like you are watching today. A little bit of organizing, some decluttering, decorating here and there, but anything and everything that really encourages you guys to have happy and clean homes. I absolutely love sharing these videos with you guys. I love getting you guys motivated and just cleaning right along with me. So if you enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe down below by hitting that little red button. I would absolutely love to have you as part of my YouTube family.
Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Y'all already know. Yeah.
Okay, so now that the upstairs was all tidied up and cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and move on downstairs, which was where the bigger of the mess was. But honestly, like I said, it was not a huge mess. It was just your typical nighttime mess that needed to be cleaned up. It was definitely very manageable, which I was so thankful for. I don't know if you guys are the same way, but usually at night I am so ready to just veg out and do my own thing after the boys are in bed. The last thing I really want to do is clean, but honestly, it is so worth it sometimes because when I woke up the next day after this, it felt so good. It was like a huge weight lifted off my shoulders because I knew we were going to have a really busy couple of days and I didn't have to worry about the house. So it was definitely worth the trouble of cleaning as long as I did. So I am just going to finish up with the dishes first. I tend to like to do the dishes before I finish anything else. Sometimes I'll clear off the counters if there's a lot of dishes on the counters, but typically I do like to do the dishes first before I do anything else in the kitchen. So right now I am just going to finish off clearing off the counters and then I will proceed to wipe them down. But I just wanted to check in with you guys and see how you are doing and what is going on with where you're living. Are you guys opening up or are you still closed? We are currently in Southern California and right now for the most part everything is still closed. There are rumors that things are going to start opening up soon and our community pools actually just opened up too. So that is really positive news for me. I am so ready to start having a little bit more of a normalcy routine in our lives again, and I know the boys are ready for it too. Some days they are doing really well and they get along, they listen, and other days it is literally the complete opposite. So at this point, I'm just barely surviving. So just know if you guys are in survival mode, you are definitely not alone in that department.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like
I meant to mention this earlier when I was cleaning the bathrooms upstairs, but the lighting in those bathrooms are completely awful, and I don't really realize it until I'm downstairs or in the bedroom or just anywhere else pretty much. But we just did a whole small bathroom transformation in the bathroom downstairs. I actually just put that video up a couple of days ago, so if you have not seen it, make sure you guys go check it out because it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. But we also switched out the lights in there, and it is like a brand new, completely different bathroom. So I will definitely be switching out all of the bathroom lights very, very soon. It is going to be so much better in there. The lighting is going to be 1,000 times better, but light bulbs tend to be on the little pricey side, so it is just a step-by-step process sometimes.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So I'm pretty sure this is one of my favorite things to do in the kitchen. I love cleaning and scrubbing out my sink. I don't know what it is about it, but it is just so therapeutic and relaxing to me. But I just love doing it, and the majority of the time, or about 50-50, I will use dish soap. Usually it's probably Dawn or whatever I have on hand. But I also have used a couple other things, and I'll just kind of switch it up sometimes. But I just love having a freshly sparkling clean sink. It just feels so good. Okay, so moving into the family room, I'm just going to start off by putting away the few toys that were kind of left out. There were not that many, and I actually just did a huge declutter in here not that long ago, and I moved all of their toys that were kept down here into the hall closet because it is a fairly large closet. And you guys, it has helped immensely keeping their toys corralled and not sprawled out over the entire downstairs. It used to be a huge nightmare. We would have toys spread out all the way through the downstairs, down the hallway, into the kitchen, and it was a huge nightmare. So keeping their toys in the closet really helps manage how many toys they have out that they're playing with, and it's a lot less overwhelming for them to help clean up. They see less toys and less of a mess, so they're a lot more willing to help clean up their messes. It's less of a battle for me and a huge win, and I'm just so glad we made the decision to move their toys into that closet. Okay, so I'm just going to finish off in this room by folding these 2 loads of laundry. The first load was pretty much a lot of the boys' clothes, and then the second load was a load of towels. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, I feel like I wash a load of towels or fold a load of towels every single time I am filming a video. It is not intentional, but I guess I wash my towels a lot more often than I really think. But anyways, I'll just finish up by folding these, putting them in the basket, and I'm going to put them away in the morning just because a lot of the clothes were the boys, so I thought I might as well just wait until morning to put them away. And then I'm going to go ahead and close all of the blinds in the room and downstairs just to kind of close up for the night.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
I also am going to turn my diffuser on. Usually when I turn it on this late, it is something to do with lavender. I'm obsessed with lavender. I use it all the time. And so tonight was just orange and lavender. I love this blend. I know I talk about it all the time, but that's what I decided to diffuse tonight, and I just love it so much. But I am also going to put a few drops of lemon down my drain. It makes my kitchen smell so fresh and so clean. I love doing this at night.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise.
Alright you guys, that's gonna do it for today's After Dark Clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it gave you some extreme cleaning motivation to get some things done around your own home. Whether you are or were cleaning right alongside with me, or you set a timer for 10 minutes and got as much done as you could, or you can just save this motivation for when you are cleaning. But I hope you enjoyed this nighttime cleaning motivation. Be sure to subscribe before you leave here, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard